Alright guys, I tapped my first hole and it was success. So again, why would I do this? It's because I hate holding the nipples while I scrub with the brush. So now I can put one on the end, or I can put them all on the side, and I can brush it easily without dropping it down the drain hole. And my big fingers just don't cling on to them well. And if I want to put it on a buffing wheel to get some of that extra carbon off, I can do that as well. So it's basically just a holding tool for my nipples. And I'm going to stamp a P on one side and a U on the other. This is going to be Pieta, other side's going to be Uberti. Make sure you guys get a center drill tap guide. I've screwed up so many taps. I'll show you a big mistake I made a little later. It's really hard to tap straight freehand, so just get one on the end. I couldn't get it in my press because it's a little too tall, even going through the hole. So I had to freehand this one, but the ends I'm going to be using the center guide tool. So that's it. I'm happy. Yay! Alright, final look at the tool. I got the P for Pieta. These are indeed Pieta cones. And once my other drill and tap comes in, I will have the Uberti side drilled and tapped. These are just center punched. Again, I can put one on the tip for wheeling if I want to put it on a wire wheel or a buffing wheel. That gets my hands out of the way and I'm not afraid of dropping it. This makes it a nice way to put them on for scrubbing. I use old toothbrushes when cleaning the cones, so this way I can scrub them and not drop them or strain my fingers. I do think this is the greatest tool ever made. No, I will not make you one, so don't ask. It's not that I don't want to, I just don't have time to be making a ton of tools and things. But if you ever try to handle these and clean them, it's difficult. And if you're one of those guys that just throw it in some water and it's fine, well, more power to you. But they do get carbon deposits on them. They do clog up. I've never had one clog. Again, this is just a 1/2-inch piece of aluminum. They're just in hand tight. And I'm happy.